Right. Hi everyone there. Today's lesson is very simple. Quick karma. You know the meaning of karma. Right. This guy is coming. You know everyone. Right. Now you can use whatever. Now I'm going to use my head. Right. Right. This way. You are disturbing them. Then you go. Right. So it's you move together. Okay, it's coming. You're looking for balance. Right. Why? You are focusing much on his eyes. Okay. Now the same thing. Right? Someone's coming to you. Hey. Right. See, that's good. Okay, one more time. Okay, someone's coming. Very good. It's brown. Then right, straight away here. Okay, one more time. Hey, right, very good. Very simple technique. So when you practice and learn simple things, all right, you practice how to move your head. Simple thing. Okay, all right. 1, 2. Here disturbing the eyes. Here. Don't forget this. Especially streetwear, just disappear. Maybe this guy is big, right? So it's coming, share with him, then you come, disappear. See you on to the next lesson.